Welcome to Tim's Antique Trains. Today we go back in time to the 1970s or so, where we take a look at my TYCO freight train, powered by a TYCO Rocky Mountain Line engine, followed by a complete TYCO line of cars. Our train is complete with a matching Rocky Mountain Line caboose. Now, let's follow the Rocky Mountain Line TYCO Freight Special around the layout. The TYCO 50th anniversary car is really neat. I found it at a garage sale, as well as the Old Spice car. I wonder what would happen if I put Old Spice cologne inside the Old Spice boxcar. Would it melt? These old TYCO engines have tiny pancake motors inside the front truck, which on this engine powers the front three axles. Not a lot of power. The engine is struggling a bit with this train. It sure has a classic toy-like sound. Don't go away yet. What could be better than one Rocky Mountain Line engine? Two of them. Let's see what kind of power two of these engines have. Now this set of cars is not all TYCO brand, but there are several vintage brands mixed in. Just as the engines say, our train is coming round the mountain. Look at that speed! Yes, my friends, it's the TYCO Duo High-Speed Freight. One of the two engines I found at an antique store, which came with the caboose. The other one I found at a garage sale. Both engines needed a little bit of fresh oil on the gears. One of them had a stripped drive gear, which I replaced with one from a donor engine. On both engines I had to superglue the main drive gear to the motor drive shaft, otherwise it would just slip and not move the engine at all. Now that both have been repaired, they really run great. And they are in really excellent condition. The shells look brand new. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.